If you're working in Python, say you've got some function called y, which is some function of this array of 360 equally spaced numbers between 0 and 2 pi, and say you want to make a plot of it. First, we need to import the pyplot interface. The conventional way to do this is import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. We start by creating a figure, and we can give it a name. Let's call it my first figure, and we can set the face color. Let's make that white. Now we can specify a blank axis within the figure, the add axes command, but that requires giving it a list of 4 numbers defining the bottom corner point and the dimensions of it. Now that we have our axes object, we can call the plot method directly on it. So, like so, we can give it the x values and the y values, and make the line blue and give it a line weight of 5. We can call the plot method on the axes as many times as we'd like. Maybe this time, let's plot the cosine of x. Let's make it green with a line weight of 5. And let's do a third one. Let's make it red, also with a line weight of 5. Now we've got a lot of lines to keep track of here, and especially if you're doing things programmatically, you may not constantly want to show the figure that you're working on. So you can look at the lines attribute on the axes, and sure enough, we see the first, the second, and the third line object that we assign to the axes. Now let's say we don't really want to see the red cosine of 2x, the last one that we put on. Well, we can use the pop command on it, and that removes it. And now we only have 2 elements in our list. When we're ready to look at it, we can see the figure. We notice that it has the title that we gave it, my first figure, a white background or a white face color, the blue sinusoidal curve we started with, the green cosine curve, both with a line weight of 5 in the upper half, or the upper sort of dimensions of the figure.